Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you know, this is Project C1, my name's Dave, and today I'm in a bit of a pickle really, so I had to resort to going to Halfords for a battery. I feel dirty. But it comes with a 3-year warranty, so I don't care. In this video I'm going to be changing the battery, because as I said in one of the previous videos, the indicator switch that I installed on to replace for the MOT, it had a little bit of a fault on it actually. One of the rocker switch for the lights, if you didn't have it in just the right position, the lights would stay on in the off position. So that's got to go. So that went in late February. Whenever you're watching this now, late February 2021, that was taken out and replaced with the original one that I cleaned up in a previous video. But yeah, in doing so, it's drained the battery. I've tried to charge the battery, tried to get some life back into it, but it's just dead. To be fair, it was a Lion battery anyway, and they're known for being crap, so whatever, time to change. Like I said, this battery here comes with a 3-year warranty, as it says on the front, doesn't it? So if it does go wrong, I'll just throw it back at Halfords and say, oi, new battery. Need a battery. No, I won't throw it out, then you get the idea. Comes with the warranty, that's all I care about. At this point, I need a battery, and I needed it like yesterday. So Halfords was the only really big option that I had on a Sunday, so guess what? Anyway, let's get the bonnet open, and we'll change this battery. But before we do that, let me show you exactly what's going on with this thing. Right, so we've got the key in. This is what happens when I turn the key. Watch. Not a damn thing. This battery is dead. So if I turn the lights on, not a thing. Turn them off, try and turn the radio on, not a thing. That battery is a dead battery. Not even the hazards work. Not a damn thing. So that battery is well and truly knackered, so it's time to get the tools out and fit the new one. Right, I just want to prove to you that this meter is actually working first and foremost. So we tap the two pros together. You can hear the beep, that's working. We'll put it on the correct DC setting and we'll probe the battery. This surprised me. So we've got absolutely nothing, not a thing in that battery, which tells me it's a bit knackered. So I'm going to undo that bolt there, that bolt there. These terminals will slide off, and then there's a bolt just down there, I'll show you in a second. That comes out, and then the battery comes out. Okay, so we have a 10mm spanner. Undo both of these. We're just going to loosen them, we're not actually undoing them all the way. So that just slides off like that. That one, same again. It's already loose, that one. Slides off like that. Okay. Now we undo the bolt at the very bottom. That is a 12mm, which is 12 millimeters. Stick that on there. And this is the battery clamp. This is the one that actually holds the battery down to the vehicle, so it's not flopping around. This might take a while. That's a nice crusty bolt, so we'll get that cleaned up before we put that back in. But there we go. And that is the battery clip. The battery tray just pulls out. So now you should be able to grab the battery and remove the whole thing. Now, in the process of changing this battery, I realised that battery terminal has seen its day. That is not clamping onto the battery at all. So, I've been out and I've bought some new battery terminals, and I'm going to use the nut and bolt that goes through the top there just to clamp that on, and then we'll tighten that battery up. Well, that was simple enough, wasn't it? Take the old battery out, black to red, red to black, blue to bits. All the electrician's joke. Battery out, battery in, job's a good one. Now if I turn the key, all the lights come on as they should. It starts, it runs, it's great. Happy days. It was just a knackered battery. So yeah, simple enough. Anyone with 5 minutes and a set of tools can do it. If you liked that video, then you know what to do. Remember to press that like button down below, share, comment, subscribe. Subscribe is good. Go and subscribe. You can always buy me a coffee if you wish. Links down below in the description. And if you want to see what I'm up to in between videos, you can always follow me on Instagram, which is at the bottom of the screen here. And if you did like it, remember to ring that bell, get notified when the next video drops, and I'll see you then.